In a softly lit nursery, tiny Niko discovers a stray sunbeam dancing across his blanket, his eyes widening with wonder. A gentle itch tickles his nose, he scrunches, pokes, and a surprised sneeze bursts forth, turning into bubbling giggles. He tumbles softly to the rug, then rolls with a playful grin, treating the moment like a game of gentle momentum. Today he wears a pastel onesie stamped with a new idiom: every cloud has a silver lining, tying calm resilience to play. Cozy sounds, fluttering mobile, and Niko's expressive face make this tiny adventure feel timeless for grown-ups watching.